Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions and Focus Darling. I'm going to show you how you can use Trello with our photography business binder, photography client management board, and a growth and inspiration station. Trello is free to use and I would not be without it. As a busy mum of four who also runs photography and LSP Actions and Focus Darling and everything else that I do, I would not be without Trello. And I have put 9 years of using Trello personally and for my business into this to give you the best boards you can. So let's get started. First thing to do, if you don't have Trello already, it's absolutely free to use, is sign up for a Trello account at trello.com. You can also download the Trello app to your phone. This is something I love about it, and you can watch the video of getting started on your phone, your iPhone, your mobile device, your tablet, your Android, on the other video. So the first thing you need to do is get Trello for free and set up if you don't already have an account. If you do have an account, then you can go ahead and log in. You can just go ahead and use your Google account. Either way, set up an account. It is completely free. It's brilliant. And once you have your Trello account set up, you are ready to get started. There is a lot you can do in Trello. You can link your calendar, you can pull everything else in. For this tutorial, we're going to be keeping it simple because I always find there is no need to overcomplicate something if we can find a way of doing it easy. So what you need to do is click on the links once you've purchased to get the photography business binder, the photography client management, and your growth and inspiration station. Each one of these is a separate Trello board that you will see in your Trello account. What you need to do is create board from template. This is the first thing you need to click on, and it will come up with a title and a workspace. My workspace is defaulting to a Focus Darling because I have a workspace already called this. It may come up with something like default for you, first workspace. You can call this what you want. Make sure keep cards and keep template cards is checked. You can change this name if you want to you could call it My Business Binder, My Business Download, My Business Diary, whatever you want. I find calling it Business Binder is really good because it's pretty much exactly what it is. And hit create, and what that's going to do is going to take this template and make it your own. Let's do the same for client management. I'm going to just change these names to My Client Management and Growth and Inspiration Station again. You don't have to change the names at all. I'm just doing that to show you if you wanted to. And now you've got these in, you can edit them, you can change them around. So let's take a quick look at what's inside. If you use Trello or similar softwares, then you are going to be absolutely loving this, what I've put in here for you. If you're new, it may take a little while getting used to, but it's pretty much the easiest app I've found that is a cross between having a paper diary. I mean, I buy myself diaries and notepads all the time. They're shiny new pens and they end up in a pile somewhere or I forget about them. I make notes on my phone. I have things everywhere, so this way you can pull everything in together. You'll notice on all of the Trello boards you have these two cards. The board is everything. Each card is almost like, let's call it a page or a subject, and within that you have different links and a text. So I'm going to show you what to do in the beginning. First of all, you have a how to get started. I've set up for you. We've done that, so that's cool. Once you've made a copy, you can edit this board, which is what we're doing right now. Delete this list by clicking the three little dots at the top and choose Archive. Once you've done it, you don't need to keep this. I've just put it in there so you know what to do. So just archive. And I'm going to do the same for these ones. Let's just keep things neat and go ahead and archive. Okay. Next up, you have how to use this Trello board. You can, if you're good at Trello already, or once you've read it, if you've got it, you can archive this too. You don't need to keep it. So we're on our business binder board. About this board, it's the perfect blend of a traditional paper diary and Kanban style powerful business binder. It's always at your fingertips on every device, so You can put a note in on your phone, it will appear on your computer, everywhere you log in it will appear. It's just, I cannot stress how fantastic it is. I popped a template card in for you because these titles where it says business information, your rolling to-do list, your price list, everything else, these are little images I've popped together. I've put a Canva link here for you if you wanted to change or add your own titles in. A video tutorial link, we're on it now. The group, you can join our group, LSP Actions group on Facebook, to get support anytime you need and chat with like-minded photographers. Here's a little bit about me. And if you no longer need this list, you can drag it to the end of the board to keep it tucked away for later, or click the 3 little dots and choose Archive, just the way we archived a moment ago. I'm going to show you how to drag. You can just click here, the same on your phone, and we can drag this to reorder. It's like using post-it notes, it's brilliant. I'm going to drag this to the end for now because there are some handy links in there you might want to use, so I'm just dragging it alone. Next to add your own, which again, if you click on this, add your own graphic title card, it's going to take you to Canva, and you see here you have some blank content cards that you can edit and add in if you wanted to. You don't have to, these options are just here. I've tried to think of everything you might need. So now we've tidied up and we're into the business binder. You can watch the next video in the series to show you exactly what's included in the business binder, how to jump in and properly how to get started. I have to excuse my voice today, bit of a throb in my throat. And the same for client management. I'm going to just drag this board to the end. Just keep it tucked away. Or if you wanted to, you can just go ahead and remove the board by by archiving it. At the moment, I am on Inspiration Station, Client Management we have, and Business Binder. Now we're set up and good to go. So if you watch the next tutorials, you'll find there's a tutorial for the Business Binder, how to use the Business Binder to keep on top of all of your important business information in one place, everything that you need at your fingertips, always without having to scroll different apps and emails, messages. The client management Trello board and all the lists and cards inside here. You'll find a separate video tutorial about what we've included. This one's a big one. G and I have included all the copy and paste email replies you need in this one as well. Super cool. And your bonus growth and inspiration station, you can find the separate video for this one. This is a really lovely board we've popped together for you. So I'll see you over in the next videos. I can't wait for you to get started with these. It is life-changing being this organised. And if this is a year, wherever you are in the year, that you've gone, right, I want to organise everything, this is going to take a huge weight off your shoulders. I'll see you over in the next videos. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.